Welcome to Kalabhairava forecasting. After some gap, I am again started to post my educational videos about GAN and astrology in share market. Anybody interested to attend my classes, you can directly attend through my website kalabhairavagan.com. You can follow my updates through my Telegram channel WDGAN81. Okay. Now let us go to my interesting topic of this time is a GAN emblem. Many people are saying a GAN emblem is a very important role in market. But one thing you understand, everybody, emblem or logo, it is an indication of that company, indication of what they are doing. It is just an indication. It is a moral. Okay. We never suppose any company having a logo, keep it that logo what you are going to do. But in that logo something is saying to about that company. Like that, GAN's emblem is saying something symbolically. He is saying something what he used. Okay, symbolically he is saying something interesting. Okay, that is what I am explaining here. It is only my point of view. Okay, now this is a GAN logo, GAN emblem. That is 360-degree round. Inside that round, one triangle and square is there. Three geometrical figure. One is circle. Inside the circle, square and triangle. So circle is important. Why circle is important? I will explain in my point of view. Now as per astrology, I am going to explain this through astrology point of view. So in astrology, we always consider all planets are rotating in 360-degree round. It is a nature. So any particle, any elements, it rotating 360-degree means it is called one cycle. For example, I am at 37 years old. Next year when I get my birthday, after that I am saying I am at 38 years old. Now the thing is, 1 year Earth completing one rotation, then my age is increasing 1 year. That is called cycle. So that cycle means any particle, it complete 360-degree round. That is a circle. It is called cycle. So in the GAN logo, first he puts circle. So circle means it is called a cycle. So now second, triangle and square. You can ask any kind of astrologer, when you look your horoscope or anything else, they first look Trigona and Kendra. Trigona means triangle, Kendra means square. Trigona and triangle point, Kendra or square point. So these two things are very important in astrology, because these houses they are saying a good houses. That is 1, 5, 9, that is a triangle point. 1, 4, 7, 10, it's a Kendra square point. These houses are normally a good houses. Okay, now you look in triangle what it indicating, in square what it indicating, what is the significant in that. In astrologically, now look, first 360-degree round, that is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, like that 12 sign around the 360-degree. Normally when you look the horoscope, everybody saying a names only, names of the sign. But behind that, first you need to understand not only name, it is actually divided into fire sign, earth sign, air sign, water sign. Fire, earth, air, water. Fire, earth, air, water. So 1, 5, 9 are fire sign. So this cycle, it's completion of elements. Now you look in 360-degree, we have a four kind of elements are there in that circular motion. In that circular motion, that is one planet is started 0-degree, it ending at 360-degree means it has to cross all the sign, all the elements. Now you look in triangle point, when you look wherever you start the triangle point, 0-degree, 120-degree, 240-degree. The each corner of 3 triangle point is same element. Fire means fire, 3 are fire. Earth means 3 corners are earth. Air means 3 corners are air. Water means three corners are water. So triangle indicating a same individual vibration. So vibration is Gann said. You can check his interview. He said that law of vibration means it having a internal vibration as well as external vibration. He mentioned two vibrations. Here I mentioned it's a fire. This triangle is indicating internal vibration. Now you look the square. You look fire. First corner is fire. Second corner water. Third corner air. Fourth corner earth. So four corners are four different elements. Now it is called external vibration. So one cycle means it should have one complete 360-degree cycle. If you want to finish your 360-degree cycle means you have to cross all the internal vibration, all the external vibration. That is called cycle. So Gann emblem symbolically he is saying in triangle is the internal vibration, square point is the external vibration. That is the important key in he is trying to say from his emblem. Okay, there is, don't confuse anything different other than this. Okay, this is the true thing. This is what Gann emblem. Okay, you realize, you think about it, everyone, you can personally research on this. Whatever I am saying here is right or wrong. Okay, I am just given this video only for educational purpose. If anything useful to use means it will be very much happy for me. Okay, so thank you very much.